In order to use the pop-up view gesture on CMF Phone 2 Pro, first of all, we're gonna open the app, and then we can just try to swipe from the bottom where we have the navigation bar, and then drag it all the way to the top over here. As you can see, now we have this preview, we have this text, drag and release here for pop-up view. So we can place it over here in order to activate the pop-up view for our app. We can tap on the app in order to make it a little bit bigger. We can change the size by grabbing by these corners or lines. If you grab by using the top side, then we can change the position. We can minimize the app. As you can see over here, now we have this button. We can tap on it in order to return. And of course, we can close it by tapping on this X over here. So this is how we can use this gesture. From what I can tell, it seems that this gesture only works if you use the gestures for navigation, if you don't use buttons. I couldn't make it work when using the 3-button navigation, unfortunately. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!